Okay, I'm going to show you how to add a Brainpop video, but it is pretty much the same as all the other links, but just in case you want a tutorial on how to do a Brainpop video, I'll probably do Brainpop and YouTube in one video because they're pretty simple and they're both videos. So, for Brainpop, you of course would go to where you want. I actually did
Plan.
all of the weather, so it's gonna bring them to this page. On their Clever, they have to sign in. They have a Brainpop, or you could give them the login and username for the Central Intermediate BP, like in the directions area when you're putting it in as a lesson. So, I'm going to copy this link. Weather. If I wanted a specific one, of course, I'd click just seasons and then copy that link. But I want them to be able to watch all of the weather ones since it's extra work. Create. This is just material. They're not having to type anything. And I'm going to say Brainpop weekly videos. And here is where I could say use your Clever badge to log in to Brainpop, or the username and password for Brainpop is, and you could type that in right there. So you're adding a link, you're pasting it, picking the classes you want it to go to, clicking the topic you want it to go into, and you are posting it. So boom, you already have your weekly Brainpop videos in there, and then your instructions are going to show up right here, and then there's a picture to your link. Okay? So the other thing is you can put YouTube videos on here. The only thing I would suggest is making sure you don't send them straight to YouTube. I know most of them probably get on YouTube on their own, but just so that you make sure it's safe and you're not sending them to any ads or anything. When you find a video, so for example, Calvin's doing Matter this week, so I'm just going to click on Matter. If you copy the link, you could just put that in there and it would bring them straight there. But then they get all of this ad mess, and right now it's safe and kid-friendly, but it isn't always. So you go to a website called safeyoutube.net. This puts your video in a whole different place. So I pasted the link that I copied from here into safeyoutube.net, into this box. Generate link. Okay, it's going to give you a safe URL. So this is your new URL. It takes them to a completely different video platform, so they are not getting to YouTube. So you push copy once that comes up, and that is what you will put when you make your new assignment. So I'm going to say material, and I'm going to say fun YouTube videos. And you might even want to put safe. People are calling me like crazy in the middle of these videos. I'm sorry. So, there you go. So, now let's add our link that we copied from the safe to not the YouTube, and go here and push add. And then remember, I'm going to pick my classes. I'm going to pick my topic. This is just extras, fun for the kiddos. And then I'm going to post it. So, then when I click on it, see how it takes them straight to this safe YouTube thing? It's just the video I wanted them to have. It's not anything crazy that they can get to ads and such from things like YouTube. And that website was safeyoutube.net. And you just copy this link into this box and push generate link and then push copy when it sends you there. So now we have added, oops, sorry about that, all of these great things to, so you've added some YouTube videos, a Brainpop videos, some Kahoots, some Boom cards, some weekly math practice through Google Slides that they can manipulate. This is their Google Form activity. That is your graded activity for the week, the only requirement. And this is your newsletter. All of this is plenty to give your parents something extra if they're wanting more, but also just to have them do this weekly assigned assignment as well.